Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Precious Metal Summit Conference here in Zurich. It's day 2, and now we have the honor and pleasure to talk to David Gleit, the CFO of SilverX Mining. Welcome and good morning.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for taking the time.
Yeah.
SilverX Mining, you have been on the show already here, so it would be great to get an update. So how was the year so far with your production? Are you satisfied?
Well, the year's going pretty well. Since we were at Beaver Creek, things have changed in the market, as you know, and in a very positive way. And coming out of Beaver Creek, we were able to raise a fair amount of money. So we have cash in the bank, and things are going quite well.
Okay, super. So that was also one of my questions. On the one hand, you are producing. On the other hand, you have done a board deal, you have a Trafigura deal, etc. So you got a lot of money. So what you going to do with the money? What is the purpose?
Yeah, I think, we're finally going to realize the potential that we have as a project. We're currently producing at 600 tons a day, and we're going to take it to 3,000 tons, 6 million silver equivalent ounces a year on average for the following 14 years. Beginning 2029, we should be up to about 6 million silver ounce equivalent.
Okay, super. And that money would be enough to really bring you to the five-fold capacity?
No, we have an effort to raise the difference. We need about 80 million to build the project. We just produced a PEA that was published in October that explains all of this.
Okay, super. In the PEA, what are the numbers there? Like, what are you proposing?
Well, the current project, it has one mill that's operating, 600 tons a day, and we have an operating mine. We're going to develop a historical mine. We're going to rehabilitate it. And so we'll have eventually 2 mines and 2 plants, each one producing 1,500 tons a day. $80 million investment. It has a NPV around 440 million after tax, 70% IRR, but this was at July prices. So we're talking $33 silver, $3,000 gold. When you put in sort of the new prices, and being a little bit conservative, you can almost double those numbers.
Well, that sounds really interesting. How long would it take that you come to those 3,000 tons? Like a year or 1.5?
3 years. We expect to be doing it by 2029.
Okay, super. And you do it in stages?
It sort of depends on how the financing goes. We're already, our goal is to be at 1,000 tons by the second quarter of next year. And then we have to see how things go. But we have a process ongoing to raise the money. It's going pretty well. So the idea would be to build this as quickly as possible. We want to increase production. We want to bring our costs down. We expect when we get this thing built, we should be at a cash cost of around $12 a silver equivalent ounce, all in around $16. $16.
Wow. That would be a beautiful margin, I would say. So you said silver equivalent. What other metals you have associated?
So we sell 2 concentrates, a zinc concentrate and a silver gold rich lead concentrate. There's also some copper in there, so we're actually building a copper line, and we'll push some of the precious metals into that copper line as well. So it's a polymetallic mine. 60% of the revenue comes from precious metals.
Okay, cool. And Trafigura is buying that all?
Trafigura is buying it all.
They must be happy.
And they've been good to us too. Plug for Trafigura.
It's a great company.
It's a great company, and we hope to continue to work with them.
Okay, super. The money, you're still missing like $60 million approximately. I'm pretty sure you will get that because you have the metals of choice, definitely. How is Peru these days with mining?
Peru, from the outside looks a lot scarier than it is from the inside. It's a mining country. I actually have lived there for 20 years now, and I've seen a lot of things. We have an election coming up. Mining is going to continue in Peru. It's a great mining jurisdiction.
Okay, fantastic. Who are your largest shareholders?
So really, Baker Steel has been with us, I think, from the beginning. And that's our largest shareholder. The second largest would be our CEO, Jose Garcia.
Okay, super. Any other institutions?
Not at this time, no.
Yet.
So there's a lot of free float. There's a lot of opportunity because we're going to really try and do this financing with non-dilutive finance and our own cash flow. So the opportunity for another private placement is really in the future.
Okay, fantastic. Super. Well, thank you very much for the update.
Yeah, it
That's
was a
fine.
pleasure.
And we wish you well because, as said, the world really needs your metal too. We have the silver deficit. It's not diminishing and prices will go high. We were just checking. 51 is now very, very close. And so all the best for you. Success.
Thank you very
and thank
much.
you very much for stopping by.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there was David Gleit, the CFO of Silver X Mining, and you heard it from 600 tons to 3,000 tons capacity within the next 3 years. And they raised really a lot of money here, approximately $25 million over the last months. And so with that, they really can stage that 1,000 tons within the next 3 to 6 months for the capacity. So that will lift production, bring costs down, and they will then also generate free cash flow, and that helps a lot for the development. So really check out the company. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Zurich, from Precious Metal Summit.